morning. We're about to go back to the Sleeping Bear sand dunes. We're actually taking our bikes today, so I gotta load those up on the truck. And yeah, should be a good time. All right, boys and the bikes are all loaded up. Me and Emily are hopping in the truck, and then we're going for breakfast at the dunes. Breakfast at the dunes.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Oh wow, it is breezy.
It's cold.
On the hike up here.
It's cold.
It is cold, but we brought a blanket, so Emily is clearly freezing.
How cold?
It's super windy up here, but this is definitely the time of day to come out because there is nobody out here, and it's a little chilly. But other than that, it's great. So I wore my Auburn shirt today, Auburn pullover, and of course, somebody walked up to us right out here. I mean, it's first thing in the morning.
War Eagle of the trip.
We're still eating breakfast out here, and a woman and her husband walked up, and she said, "War Eagle." It's funny to meet people who are just as far away from home as we are.
Yep. And who sound
like us. Yeah.
Because up here, I feel like people look at us strange because we sound different.
We do sound different. Meanwhile, the boys are playing on all these trees like they're jungle gyms, and they're having a big old time. I could start every morning like this.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I am amazed at how many people literally just get out of their car, go to the scenic look, and then go right back.
And then go right back, yeah.
No exploration.
Yeah.
When you stop at a place like this, to me, it's so hard to just like get right back in the truck.
The boys love going through the little trails in the dunes, like between where the grass is grown up. They like to just like run through that sand and let's go this way, let's go that way. It's like the best exploration. We're gonna have to vacuum out Daddy's truck.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to vacuum out Daddy's truck. Daddy is not a fan of sand. I love the dunes.
Yes, you do.
The dunes are fun, the beach is fun. I don't like sand on my truck though.
Wow.
The other thing though,
it's the sacrifice you have to make.
The sacrifice you have to make. Just have to.
Yep.
On another note, we just finished up at the dune overlook, which is where everyone goes up and down. Now we're gonna go over to the dune climb.
Hey.
That is where we are going to play, let the boys run up and down the dune, as well as we're gonna get the bikes off there and
we'll do the Sleeping Bear Heritage Trail, which actually runs from Empire all the way past Glen Arbor and on. We're not going to do the whole thing. We are going to get the bikes off probably at the dune climb and then maybe go a few other places. We don't know.
Okay,
All right, this is the dune climb. So here we go.
I'm making it to the top of this one.
We're making great time.
We are.
Almost to the top. I could definitely go the whole way, but I don't know that the boys could.
I don't think the boys could.
Well, maybe Rhett.
Rhett could.
Definitely Ollie, because he's got it easy. He's got it way easy.
Those kids went so fast.
Yeah.
They're a lot faster than us.
Ollie and I are hanging out on top of this dune and playing in the sand while Emily and the other boys are climbing this dune back here. And they've been at it for about 10-15 minutes now and still not even halfway up. But that's right. We're just having fun. Is that fun, Rhett?
That was fun. It was a beautiful view out there. I got you some footage. You can put it in. When you go to the top of that one, we climbed. So there's two ways to get up there. There's this way and this way. That way's steeper, but then you have to go down and back up a dune to get over to that. So we did like twice the work.
So twice the fun for the boys.
Yeah. And we made it all the way up.
All right, we just got the bikes off and now we're gonna go on a bike ride and a picnic. This has got to be the busiest bike trail I've ever seen.
Yeah, so busy.
There's so many people. I mean, you're constantly getting past, and then you're constantly passing too.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It is crazy. Maybe it's just the fact that it's a Saturday.
Yeah, and good weather.
It is good weather, cool weather. People are always amazed at our bikes.
So many comments.
We get so many comments on them. But that's mainly because they can fit all 5 of us very easily. I also hate that we're not getting a ton of bike ride footage, but it's so difficult because there are so many other bikes.
Just pull over and set the camera up and get footage because we would be in the way.
Yep.
Look how pretty the water is. It is like Gatorade blue.
Gatorade blue.
It is.
Lunchtime.
Tired.
So tired.
2 of the boys have already passed out.
Yep. 10 miles on the bikes seemed like a fun idea, and it really was.
It was fun.
But we are tired. The sun is out, so it's starting to get hot.
It was cold this morning. I was
very
cold. And
it was cool and breezy, and now it is warm.
It is warmed up.
And not so breezy. I just dropped the kids off and Emily off at the camper for some rest time. Since we are traveling again tomorrow, I need to fill up on diesel. So, gonna run out, get some diesel, and maybe stop by the local farm stand, pick up some produce and such. Emily's not gonna be too pumped because they didn't have any more flowers, and all I got was blueberries and corn, which I guess blueberries and corn is still good. But it seemed like the farmer's market was, or the farm stand was pretty picked over, so. Nachos outside. This way we can let the boys run out some energy and eat in the nice weather.
Mom's tired.
Mom's tired. I think the boys are tired too.
Mom.
The boys are clearly wanting to go on a bike ride. Emily's still shooting a little bit of content for the socials. So we're gonna go on a bike ride. Ollie is strapped to my back. So here we go.
Rhett, watch where you're going.
Tomorrow's a travel day.
Yay and nay.
Well, it is yes. Yes, we are traveling. But
Yay and boo.
yay and boo. We've really enjoyed it here.
I really like it here. I'm excited to go other places, but I'm sad because I really like it here, and I feel like we didn't get enough time here, and I would like to be here longer. And we're tired, and we did a lot today, and so moving tomorrow is like, ugh.
Yeah. Odds are, if you ride your bike enough or ride around long enough, you find the playground. Since tomorrow is another travel day,
I'm thirsty anyway.
we
So bring on the rain.
I have to do some cleanup out here, put the bikes on the rack, get everything set up and ready. We have to be out of here by 11, so not too crazy early,
We
but
don't have to rush tomorrow.
we don't have to rush, no. But we do have to kind of get going. Emily's phone's dead.
I
So
was trying to look up when we can be at our next place.
I bet it's probably 1. Most of them are 1. So I'm gonna do some stuff like that, getting us cleaned up and ready to roll. Probably mess with the tanks, get everything dumped. I'm tired. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.